Okay, we're cutting down this tree for our cabin. It's an ash. We can use a lot of the side logs for purlins. There it is. Those dead tops. He's cutting it down right now. Oh.
Our chainsaw had a bad mixture of oil and gas. That's why it stalled. We are chopping the tree with an axe because it's acting weird, and we don't want to be in the way with a running chainsaw if it falls the wrong way. Now we are pounding a metal splitting wedge in the back so it ensures that it falls the right way, because we are railing the tree uphill.
It did seem like it was swaying. Yeah.